All right, welcome to Module 3. So, we just received our photos from the photo shoot that didn't happen, but we're going to pretend it did, okay? And these are photos from another property that I shot last month, and it's a couple of photos, pretty easy to digest. I was going to upload a big house, and I'm like, I don't want to make it too much. So, anyway, this is a pretty relatively small property. And here's the email. It says, your photos are ready. The property site's currently offline. You can click this link to make it live. Here's your website links, your branded property site, the unbranded property site, and the 3D interactive floor plan if you decide to add that to your order. You also get a total marketing kit. You can download the photos. You have a property owner preview that you can send to your owners in case you aren't ready to make the site live yet. And then you can, of course, share things on social media. And of course, you can always share a referral code and only share yours, of course. Then you get $50 off towards your next order. That may change, though, by the time you see this. Otherwise, you can access your account. And we obviously thank you for shopping with us. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the website link just to see what it looks like. Well, it's not active, so it makes sense that it's not active yet. So let's go over to the total marketing kit and check that out. And hopefully we'd be able to get logged in immediately. That would be nice, right? But these features are available for any package that you order, or you can add it on for $10 onto your existing order for just a la carte photos. All right, so here's the marketing kit. I'm going to go ahead and close this other window since we're already here. And we can take a look at all of this. Here's your interactive floor plan. Here's your flyers, printable materials, and attachments. And here are all your customizable social media templates. So instead we can like drag this image here, or if you really like this image, we can put that one there. And it generally centers the images, but you can definitely change that as well. And then you can save that, and then you can download it, and you'll be able to just download it directly to your computer. Also, the fonts are completely editable. We won't save that. So we're going to change this font to this one. And maybe we typically work for our brand. Maybe we work with something a little more firm. And then you can change all this information down here to say, I am the best agent ever. Agent ever. I can't type today, but you get the idea. So you can literally change all the information here. And you can even add more photos to make it a little bit more compelling in case you have another feature photo that you want to show. So you guys can come in and play with this with the login and other information that you have. But we will continue looking at this. I think this is still inactive. No, it'll actually show us from the back end. Turn the volume down a little bit on that. And as you can see, the 360 floor plan is available for you to virtually tour and to check out. And here's all the information that you can have on your own property site. Here's your photo gallery where the photos are all expandable. There's your floor plans. And it has your information down here where we can contact the agent as well. So the viewer can send you an email. You can share this property when guests view it on the web. And there you are. So we can log into our account and take a look at the actual files. Let me get into that. See if I can do that. I'm going to log in here, access my account, and I'm going to click on this address and go over to Marketing Kit. And I should see pretty much the same information that we saw there. The download page, you're able to download the photos as long as you agree to all the terms and conditions. You can download print quality size, which is the MLS file size, which is 1920 pixels long. That's how we send them to you guys. Okay. And then they're downloaded straight away to your computer. Here's your print materials. You can add a flyer. Let's do the Aspen. And then you can swap out photos in case you're not a big fan of these. You can move them around a little bit and provide any additional information. My headshot would typically go here, and then your logo would typically go down here. Okay. I'm going to move this over because I'd rather see this part of the house. And then you can save it and you can print it right away. There's no delay on printing your materials. You can print them out the same day that you get the photos, which is awesome. And you can do as many flyers as you like. You can choose Birch, see what works for your brand, and more, right? So go ahead and try all this out and see what works for you. I love oak and oak back. I think those are my favorites. But these are nice as well to go ahead and share online in case our incredible materials that you can use for your marketing just don't provide enough for you. So let's go back over to the marketing kit and take a look at all that we can do there. So we have all these social media reel flyers, TikToks, and that. Many different ways: square, landscape, and vertical. You can have various gallery type showings of the way the photos are arranged. And then we also have my favorite, which is the Pinterest tower that shows you all the photos on one. Well, I think it's just the top like 30 that we're able to show on the tower just to maximize space. And then because the site is marked inactive, the videos have been taken down. So what we do is we can just activate the site. So let's go over to site activation and we'll go ahead and make it live. And then that way, our YouTube video is being made. So we have a short promo video, both in square and wide format. Square is perfect for Instagram. And then there's a branded photo, which would include your credentials, headshot, and logo, and then an unbranded video, which is obviously used for Zillow, 3D tours, and Realtor.com tours. And then that allows you to say that you have a three-dimensional tour, even though it's just a video of the photos. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. And you can always reach me, Bobby, at realestatevisual.com if you have additional questions, or call our 800 number, 833-REV-IT-UP. And we're here for you 24/7, ready to help you in your sales journey as the awesome agent that you are. We will talk to you soon. Stay tuned for more modules.